What's up, what's up? Hello, welcome to Technically Moving with Elyse Vonne. I am Elyse Vonne and I'm so glad that you're here. Today we have an easy beginner hip hop routine to a 90s hip hop classic, This Is How We Do It by Montell Jordan. Let me give you a rundown of how today's class is gonna go. First, we're gonna go through, learn the moves. Next, we're gonna do our first run through. I'm gonna talk you through the moves. And then lastly, we're gonna do a full run through, completely full out, high energy, give it all you got. And then I have a surprise for you at the end. You ready? I hope so. Let's get to it. So our first 2 counts of 8 go a little something like this. You're gonna fold your arms here, and then you're gonna kick your right foot, left foot, and you got a little bounce. So 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. You see I'm moving my head. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do a little ball change, which is all a ball change is we got a back step. All right? And I'm moving because I'm hearing the music in my head. And I'm sure you know the song too. So we have right, left, right. Then we do our first ball change on our left leg. Back, front. Now when we do that, we go, yeah, right? Uh-huh. And then all we do is repeat that same step on the left side. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change. 5, 6, 7, uh-huh. Now, real easy. All we're gonna do is cross your right leg in front, tap your left leg. Left leg in front, tap your right leg. Uh-huh. And then guess what? We do that to the back. Cross your right foot behind you, tap your left leg. Cross your left foot behind you, tap your right leg. And when we do this, we got that same 90s bounce. And we just have our hands here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that, man. You're making it through. Let's run that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change. 1, 2, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we have bounce right, left, up, push, and slide. Then we repeat left, right, up, slide. Slide, and again, right, left, up, slide. Slide into the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's add some arms to that real quickly. Here we go. Real simple. We go push, 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 clap, slide, slide, push, 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 clap, slide. All right, let's do this from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are almost through this thing. Let's keep going. So now we're gonna do a kick, jump, touch, starting with our right leg. All right, kick your right leg out, jump on that right leg, and touch that left leg in the back. Yeah? And then, what do you think we do? Do it to the left. Kick, jump, touch. Yeah? And as you can see, I had my weight in the wrong place. All right, so bend those knees. Kick, jump, touch. Kick, jump, touch. Kick, jump, touch. Kick, jump, touch. All right, let's add some arms to this. Kick, jump, touch. Kick, out, clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ooh, and yeah. 5, 6, and go. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Then we have jump together. What's up? Jump together. What's up? Slower. That is right, left. Ooh, and oh. Ooh. Add your own flair to it. But make sure you're doing it in a 90s style, okay? That's the kind of vibe we on today. Next, we have a little hip groove and twist, all right? So, very simple. You start with your left leg. And you just pushing it. And it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna do our jump together like we did before, but we're doing it starting with the left leg and we're jumping back. Left, right. Now when we do that, we go, ooh, ah, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, ah, up. And now we go. We finish out this 8 count. I just want you to groove and move your shoulders. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Split that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move that thing. And go. Yeah? All right, let's learn our last little bit. It's real easy. We're going. Shoulder, goes. And shoulder. Ooh, other way. And down. And shoulder. Now, as a true 90s ATL baby, I gotta add the big head bounce in here, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now, here we go. We're gonna push him out the way. Woo, give it up for yourselves. It is time to do this run through with the music. Let's go.
How we do it.
Take 1. Let's go.
This is how we do it.
Okay,
It's Friday night, and I feel alright.
4,
The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. I'll designate a driver, take the keys to my truck. Get the shot cause I'm faded. The honeys in the streets say money, yo, we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight.
Okay.
The summertime skirts and the guys at the night. All the gangbangers forgot about the drive-by. You gotta get your groove on
Move them
before
hips.
you go get paid. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm kind of buzzed and it's all because ooh, South Central does it like nobody does. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor.
Okay.
Let's
Move them out the way.
This is how we do it.
All right, it's time to give it your all. Let's do this for the second and final time. All out. I want you to give it everything you got.
This
all right, let's
is how
go.
we do it. La, 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 la. This is how we do it. It's Friday night, and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. I'll designate a driver, take the keys to my truck. Hit the shop cause I'm faded. The honeys in the streets say money, yo, we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight. The summertime skirts and the guys in Kanai. All the gangbangers forgot about the drive-by. You gotta get your groove on before you go get paid. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm kind of buzzed and it's all because this is how we do it. Ooh, South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school back. This is how we do it.
All right.
This is
Freestyle.
how we do it.
Surprise.
All hands up in the air.
Ooh. Keep going. All right. Give it up for yourself for giving up, doing a little moving today, doing a little grooving today, reconnecting with your body, learning some choreo, and just having a good time. I will see you next time on Technically Moving with me, Elyse Vonne. Peace.